Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce from canned tomatoes. First, select high-quality whole peeled tomatoes, as they form the foundation of a delicious sauce. Gently crush them by hand for a rustic texture, or use a food processor for a smoother base. Next, warm some olive oil in a pot and sauté finely chopped garlic and onion until they become fragrant and translucent, creating a flavorful aromatic base for your sauce. Once your aromatics are ready, add the crushed tomatoes to the pot and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. This is where the magic begins. Season your sauce with salt, black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity and enhance the natural sweetness of the tomatoes. For an extra layer of freshness, stir in fresh herbs like basil or oregano during the final 10 minutes of cooking. Allow your sauce to simmer gently for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. If you prefer a thicker sauce, simply continue simmering, uncovered, until it reduces by about 1/4, concentrating those delicious tomato flavors. For those who enjoy a smoother texture, an immersion blender can be used directly in the pot to achieve your desired consistency with just a few pulses. Once your delicious homemade tomato sauce is complete, let it cool completely to room temperature. This prevents condensation and helps maintain its quality. Transfer the cooled sauce to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months for longer storage. Freezing in portion sizes makes future meal prep a breeze. Be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.